Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle group set. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is SRAM SX Eagle 1x12 12-speed bicycle group set kit. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, SX Eagle. Total capacity, 50T max. Gears, 12-speed. Material, alloy. Type, group set. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. The item number 4 is Sensa Empire Pro Road Group Set. Specifications. Brand name, Sensa. Gears, 24 speed. Material, carbon fiber. Type, rear derailleur. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. As the item number 3 we've selected, SRAM SX Eagle 1x12 12-speed bicycle group set. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, SX Eagle. Total capacity, 1150T. Gears, 12 speed. Material, alloy. Type, derailleur group set. Origin, mainland China. Components, derailleur. The item number 2 is Shimano 105R 7000 2x11 speed disc brake group set. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, R7000. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, suit. Origin, JP Origin. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano 105 Di2 Groupset R7170 12s group set. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, R7170. Use, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, chain wheel. Origin, JP Origin. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.